Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm sharing my all natural DIY leave-in conditioner using flaxseed and fenugreek gel and shea butter plus coconut oil and some few essential oils. So stay tuned and watch to the end because this video is going to blow your mind and I know your head is going to absolutely love it. So stay tuned and watch to the end. So now guys, as you guys can see, I bring my fenugreek and flaxseed, I pour it inside my cooking pan to put it on fire. It depends, you can make the fire low or you can make the fire high. And also the water that I use to soak it, I soak it down for like a day because I soak it like a night, and the following day afternoon that I'm started doing this leave-in conditioner. So not the only the leave-in conditioner, I'm going to do something else again. So stay tuned and watch to the end. And if you watch it up to this point, you know that you haven't subscribed. Please, what are you waiting for? Please do your girl a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. Well, let's continue to these powerful ingredients and the powerful oils that we are going to, or I am going to use for this leave-in conditioner. Do you want to know the benefit of this flaxseed and fenugreek seed? Let's dive into the benefit. Okay, let's check the flaxseed. Flaxseed is strengthening hair, defends curls, reducing freezing and adding shine. The key nourishing minerals, it's having omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin E, vitamin B, especially vitamin B1 and vitamin B6. That is what flaxseed have. So it's good when you see the people that using natural ingredients, especially this type of seeds. It's not like something that they are wasting their time. It's having a lot of benefit. It's not for only the hair. Flaxseed also is very good for eating. When you are using flaxseed, maybe you can be eating it or add it inside your cake when you are going to bake cake. You know, there's having a lot of benefit for flaxseed. So guys, let's dive into fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed is boosting hair growing, reducing shedding, adding sleep rings, and moisturizing your hair. Okay, it also having minerals in vitamin, having vitamin B3, potassium, iron, and also adding electricity. It's also having vitamin C inside fenugreek. So all these natural ingredients, Charlie, if you are using it into your hair, you have to know that one, that you are not wasting your time. So after boil it, guys, you can see that I strain it, I remove the gel, I put it aside. Now I'm blending the cream. So after blending it, you guys, you can see that I strain it. So what I'm going to do now, the next or the steps that I'm going to do, that's the cream that I got from when I blended it here. So what I'm going to do, I said I'm going to make nourishing leave-in condition, right? So that one that we are going to start. So stay tuned and watch to the end, especially those who want to do this type of things and they don't know how to start it. This video is for you. Or if you are looking for a way to grow your natural hair, this video or this channel is for you. Subscribe and also don't forget to turn your notification bell anytime when I upload videos like this. YouTube algorithm, they will notify you for you to know that Princess and the mother, they are on board. So guys, you can see the one that I'm showing to you people, that one I'm going to put aside. That's the cream that I remove. For that one also we are going to use it for hair mask. Okay, so now let's continue the leave-in conditioner. I'm using shea butter. That one I put into my, I'm making a double ball metal. I just need the shea butter to melt. First thing I'm doing, I'm melting my shea butter, and also I'm going to add my coconut oil, melt to these powerful ingredients, two powerful oils. I'm going to melt it together. Then I'll add my flaxseed and fenugreek seed gel. So after that, guys, but let us continue watching the video because of course you need to see the process. I don't need to tell you guys, you have to see how I'm doing it, so that it will not take you or it will not disturb you when you are also going to do it. So now what we are waiting is I'm melting the oil, and also I'm bringing my coconut oil for that one also to add inside. So now you can see I bring my coconut oil. I'm going to take something like 1 tablespoon. It will be like the same amount of coconut shea butter that I added. It will be like the same amount. Okay, so now both these two powerful oils are melting. I have to melt it together because we need the liquid of it, otherwise it's going to be difficult. So let's continue boiling, or let's continue melting it. After finish do my double boil method, I bring it down to let it allow get cold small. So now I bring my fenugreek and my flaxseed gel. Actually, I'm not going to pour everything inside. I want to leave some small when I'm going to make my leave-in spray, I mean my hydrating spray, so that I can do what? I can add it inside to do our hair spray. So I want to leave some small of the gel, and you know that this thing is not easy, especially flaxseed, and you know it's not easy if you want to divide or say, oh, I'll cut this one small. If you don't take time, you will pour everything inside. So I'm just taking my time while I'm putting it inside. So guys, after put my flaxseed fenugreek gel into my oil, so now guys, you can see that I'm mixing everything. So well, if you have hand blender, you can use hand blender. If you have like mixture, you can use your mixture, or whisk, you can use it, or fork. But if you are going to use fork or spoon, like do it like the way I'm doing, you have to make sure you whip it very well, because the flaxseed, you know, there is oil, there is water in the flaxseed and the fenugreek, right? So but the oil, we all know oil and those things, water is not matching. So that's why it will be good if you can use your hand blender or your mixture to mix it very well. Well, this thing is just power of natural ingredients. I didn't add anything inside, but the preservative, I'll add preservative. So stay tuned and watch to the end, because you have to see how the things that I'm going to add. So after blending it, I bring my essential oil. That is my coconut essential oil, my rosemary essential oil. So I'm going to put my essential oils inside. I'm going to add some drop. Actually, these things, sometimes when you say you are going to count, is making difficult to count. So I'm just putting inside, but I only make sure that I will not put more than 10. So now I'm adding peppermint essential oil inside. So the other one is rosemary, and this is peppermint essential oil. Okay, so guys, let's continue. Before that, if you know that you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and share for me. So now our next ingredients or next oil, essential oils that I'm going to add vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil also, sorry guys, vitamin E oil also is also good to be adding, because it's also adding like it's like preservative if you don't have preservative, and you add inside. And also I'm adding my vegetable glycerin inside. This leave-in conditioner is going to be nourishing. So if you don't have money to buy leave-in conditioner, or don't have money to get big products, just get your simple coin, go to market, buy your things, and come and mix your leave-in conditioner, and you are good to use. So now after add my oils, my essential oils, I continue take my whisker to mix everything. When you are doing, you have to make sure that you make sure all the ingredients, it's mixed very well with each other. So let's continue blending it together. So guys, let me know in the comments below, how are you thinking? Are you planning to try it? Let me know. If you say yes, please let me know in the comments below. And also, if you watch it up to this point, please let me know in the comments below. Tell me, yes, I watch it up to this point. So now after blending, you can see how smooth it is now. Everything is well mixed, right? You can see it. Look at how smooth it is. I didn't add any chemical. All it's just a natural things. In this channel, I don't do chemicals things. Whatever I'm showing here, I'm showing the natural things. The natural things that you can use to help yourself, to grow your hair, to protect your hair from breaking. So now I pour my things into my container. That's why, you know, this thing when you do it, you put inside fridge. So it will be good if you put it inside the fridge so that will make it last longer, okay? But how to apply, make sure you then do your hair, make your hair get them wet small, or you wash it before. After washing it, it's just a little bit water inside, not too much, so that you take it in your hand. You put it inside your hand, make sure you melt everything. I don't know, use your hand together. Let me show it to you guys, because like the way I do, put inside your hand like that. Yes, put into your hair. You know, leave-in conditioner doesn't need scalp, it's only your hair need it. So this leave-in conditioner, it will be good when you are using it for only your hair, not your scalp, because leave-in conditioner does not made for scalp, it's made for hair. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. As I said, if you watch it up to this point, may Allah bless you. Don't forget to give me thumbs up. Look at my daughter trying to do. Give me thumbs up, like it, and share for me. Bye bye. I love you all.